Hey, you're all right. You're all right. I'm gonna get you. Hold on.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
If you're just discovering my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Welcome to Texas Bear Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today I'm showing you a video of me saving a whitetail fawn stuck in a fence. Check out this footage.
Okay, hold on.
So what's going on here is that her leg is caught in between the top two strands of barbed wire.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay, hold on, baby.
I'm trying to figure out if I can stick something in there to get her leg out, or I've never done this before, so I'm not really sure how to go about getting her unstuck. So then I realized that if I lift her up, I can undo the twist out of the barbed wire and her leg will come free. When she got loose and ran across the road, she almost got stuck in the other fence on the other side of the road.
She almost got caught in the other fence. Jeez. Woo. Man. Good deed for the day.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. This is a little bit different video than what I normally do. I normally do kind of almost like a vlog style video. This one was just a little short clip of me saving a deer. You can check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kiddies do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.
Number 2?
Yes.
No.
No,
Tomato, pickles, and onions?
I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Now, try to run. You dang land.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good.
Wow. Chicken. My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken?
10% really got me going.
Is that DNR?
All right, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.